Ikomiti lesikhashana lasephalamende eliphenya ngezinsolo zenkohlakalo emaphoyiseni lithathe isinqumo sokuphoqa usomabhizinisi uBrown Mokgotsi ukuthi avele ngaphambi kwalo. Lokhu-ke kulandela ukuthi uMokgotsi etshele isigcawu ukuthi ngeke akwazi ukuvela ngaphambi kwaso uma engahlinzekwa ngezokuphepha ezizimele.
Usomabhizinisi uBrown Mokgotsi ufuna ukuthi ngaphambi kokuba avele kulesi sigcawu ahlinzekwe ngezokuphepha ezizimele. Walile ukunikezwa abaqaphi bombuso wathi iphalamende kumele likhokhele abaqaphi bakhe izinsuku eziyisikhombisa azozichitha eseKapa.
The offer that was given was that he can come to Cape Town, and then as soon as he lands, there will be protection offered or escorts offered. Mr. Mokgotsi refused that offer. He says that he doesn't want to be protected by people that he doesn't know. He prefers to have his own people protecting him, and he was requesting that Parliament must fund that for a period of 7 days.
Lokhu kuthukuthelise kakhulu amalungu ekomiti.
All of us here are protected by people we do not know. When we come from the airport to here in Parliament, when we come from our villages to here in Parliament, we don't know those police people. But because it's a protection that has been given to us by Parliament, we respect that. And we have confidence that Parliament can't sell us out as easy like that.
We've been undermined by Paul O'Sullivan. Parliament has done nothing about it. It's been over 2 months now, Chair. He said we had a witness here. He sent a message. He has threatened a witness. We have done absolutely nothing.
Ikomiti livumelene ngokuthi lifake abameli kulolu daba nokuzophoqa uBrown Mokgotsi ukuthi avele ngaphambi kwalo.
The decision of this meeting is that the witness must be subpoenaed.
Igama lika Brown Mokgotsi seliphatheke izikhawu eziningana kulesi sigcawu esiphenya ngezenzo zenkohlakalo nokuxambukela kwezombusazwe ku-SAPS. Kulindeleke ukuthi avele kulesi sigcawu ezoziphendulela.